Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer. In this video, let us proceed to the next application, what we call solar plane. So what are the parts required? We have solar module, gearbox. What else? We need P7, P8. P7 and P8 are the short wires, right? As you can see, they are the short wires, 9 centimeter wires like this, right? So P7 is white and P8 is green. So these are the short wires, 9 centimeter long. And what else we need? B2 and okay, again we need B2 and B9. So let us okay, put this, okay, pin this up. So, okay, B2 and B9 and B8. So let us get our green parts. So B2, where's the B2? Okay, let us cut it out. B2. B2 is the propellers. This one is B2. Okay. So it came from this part. No? B2 is actually from this part. Okay. So B1, B2. So we already cut it, but that is actually the place of that part. That is B2. There are two connections here that we already cut. So that is now the cutout part B2. Next is B9. Here's B9. So there are two. There is one B9 here. So this is the B9 part, and you have to cut it out here. So B9. Yeah, the B9 part. And let us clean the excess. Okay, so clean B9. Then B8. So adjacent to it. So the adjacent one is here. So B9 from here. So we have B8 here. So cut it out also. So that is B8. So we have to clean it out. Clean it. Okay, so we have the wires here. So we have wires P7 and P8. So P7 is white, P8 is green. We have B2, we have B9 here, and we have B8. Okay, and connect to the white part A10 and A7. So we have here A10 and A7 here. So we already connected A10 and A7 from the previous project, and we already connected the solar module and gearbox from the previous project, but we have to use the shorter wire this time because we will use the solar plane. Okay, solar plane. So instead of this, we have to use this one. Okay. Step number 1. So we have to shape the blade, so this propeller to the gearbox, right? And put V8 at the back of the gearbox, right? So that it looks like an airplane. So that it looks like a small airplane. So let us disassemble first this setup, or just disassemble the wires. Just take the wires out. Okay, take it out like that. And take the whole thing here and take this out, because we already used this assembly on our previous video. So let us take it out like that. Okay, take it out like that. So we have the assembly for panel, solar panel, and the platform, which is A7. This is the platform. It's A7. So let us also this symbol, what the going to this symbol, this setup. This is for solar windmill. So this is this was used last project. So we have to take this out and take this gearbox out of the column. Okay, so we have this. So also take out the windmill propeller. So we need a small propeller, which is the airplane propeller. So again, put it like this. Take note of the key. There's a key. Okay, there's a key. To take out of the key. Take it like that. Okay, so like that. As you can see, able to put it like that. Okay, and this is the tail of the plane. So let us use the plane tail. Put it that way. So you have to put it that way. Okay, to put it that way. It's the tail, the plane. Okay. And we have the propeller. Okay, so that it looks like. So also, I think it should rotate clockwise also. And should rotate clockwise. Okay, you see it. A small airplane. Plane. So let us put our plane here. So let us our plane here. For our second project, we want to put that way. Okay. This is our second project. As you can see, it should look like this. Project should look like that should be your project. Okay. So the rotation must be like this. This is the rotation. So remember the rotation. We will test it tomorrow under the sun. Okay. So that is our solar plane, but still we have to connect the wires. Okay, so we have to connect the wires, and there is another propeller. Okay, there's another type of propeller here. Okay, which could also be used. Okay, another propeller which is called D4. Depending upon which propeller you like to use. Okay, depending upon your taste, you can use either one of these, B4 or B2. So this is B4. This propeller is B2. So this one is B4. You can use any of this as your propeller. Just clean and just cleaning the connection, the excess connection method. Okay. Now you can use this, put this here. Okay. Okay, so it depends upon your taste, and just put the wires. Okay, what color and what color? So you use P7, which is white. Okay, P7, which is white, from the positive white here and green here. So you have to okay, connect gearbox. Or this time gearbox positive. Okay, so positive to positive. Okay, so what's the other one? What's the video? The other one. There's no video. Robot. So I think that's how you do it. I will just show you. And pin it. Okay. This is how it looks like. So this is the solar plane. Okay. So we just have to put the wires. Okay. These wires. Okay. Here. Okay. The wires there. Okay. So I will show it to you tomorrow. Okay. I'll show it to you tomorrow. Okay. So that's all for our module solar plane. Again, this is Dr. Ray P. Preaching Engineering for Nation.